Good morning, students. So, welcome to my class. And today we will read Unit 5, Section 1 of your main course book, The Final Frontier. This book is written by Jill Patton Walls, and it is about four characters who escaped to another planet along with others in order to survive. So let us start. Here we're talking about three kids, Joe, Sarah, and Patty, who leave Earth in a spaceship with their dad. Just before the planet is destroyed by a natural disaster, each person on the ship is allowed to bring just one book. It is a 4-year voyage, which the most passenger will spend sleeping and reading. After a few weeks, people start trading books. Everyone makes fun of Patty, the youngest child aboard, when they discover she brought an empty book as her choice. So, the four characters, Joe, Sarah, Patty, along with their dad, leaves the earth on a spaceship in order to escape the natural disaster that has almost destroyed the mother earth. And this voyage will take 4 years to reach the other planet, and they are told to take few important things and one book per passenger. And so after few weeks, every passenger started reading the book, and after that they started to trade the book. Finally, the refugees arrive at the new home, that is a new planet. The air and water are good, but the vegetation is all very strange and crystalline. Patty is given the honor of naming the new village. She calls it Shine. So after 4 years, they finally arrive to the new planet, where the water and air is good, but it is difficult to grow vegetation. And it was Patty who names this new planet, which is to be their home, and the name was Shine. By various experiments, the humans figure out ways to build houses and make lamps to light them. However, all their animals die after eating the local grass. Their earth plants won't grow either except for wheat, but even that has a weird look to it. Nobody is sure if they will have enough to eat, and the ship has no fuel to take them anywhere else. So finally they discover that the air and water is good, but there is no vegetation. The cattle dies, and then they discover that they are not able to grow any crop except wheat, which is also different in shape and size. And now it is a matter of their survival because the ship has no more fuel to take them to another planet. So finally they have to survive in this planet, and the name given to this planet, which is their home now, is Shine by Patty. So now everyone is quite afraid because they don't know whether they will survive or not without food. So though the planet has good air and water, but there is no vegetation, and since humans need food to consume in order to survive, so now it is a big menace for them in order to survive. Luckily, Patty and other kids discover that there are candy trees with sweet edible sap. They also discover that the humans are not alone. A strange moth people hatch out and hover around, curious but totally unable to communicate. So, finally, Patty and the other kids discover that there is a sweet candy sap, and they also discover one more thing, that they are not alone. Okay, strange moth people are also there, and they were hovering around them because they were also curious who are they who came to this planet, but they are not able to communicate. The wheat harvest comes in. All the grains look like glass beads. Sarah, Patty's sister, steals a bunch of the grain and makes pancakes with it. The kids all eat them. Everyone is afraid that they will die. but they suffer no ill effects. At last, they know they will be able to survive. So finally, the wheat harvest comes in, and Sarah, Petty's sister, decided to make a pancake, and they decided to eat the pancake, and everybody was shocked to see that. They thought that they will die, but nothing happened. And finally, everyone is relaxed. Everyone discovered that now they can survive in this planet because now they can grow the vegetation. The grown-ups need a way to keep track of who gets how much wheat. Now, though the crop is now grown over there, now the adult, the older people needs to decide that how many of them will get their share and how much, because we cannot distribute it the way we like. It is a new planet and they are just learning to survive. They want Patty to give them her blank book, but she protests. In the end, her father takes it and finds it is not blank. Patty used the book as a diary and wrote down all their experiences in settling Shine. So everybody decides and asks the Patty needs to give them that book which is blank so that they can maintain a record, to which Patty protests. Anyhow, her father decided to take the diary, which is not at all blank, and he was quite surprised to see that Patty has written her entire experience on this new planet called Shine. So it is about people who, in order to escape the dying earth, reaches another planet and discover that except vegetation, rest of the things are quite good, but human cannot survive without food. Finally, it is the kids who, like you, come up with the solution. They found a sweet candy sap, and they also discovered that they are not alone. And then the wheat harvest came, and now it was time for the older people to decide how much share each and every people will get there. And so now it is almost the time for everyone to settle. So students, we need to know that some way or the other we are going to lose this Mother Earth. So whatever we are getting from our Mother Earth, we need to conserve it for our future generation. Otherwise, the day is not far when we too may have to escape other planet. And like this planet, maybe we may get or may not good air, water or a good harvest. So with this, Jill Patton Walls wants to convey, the message that protect Mother Earth, save your environment. And it also gives a spooky feeling amongst the reader when they discover that the character who are into their new home, they don't have food to eat, and now they have to survive on whatever available there. But then human race is known to be a race of wisdom, and finally they discovered a new edible sap, the children who discovered, and then the wheat harvest came, and everybody knew now one thing, that they are going to survive. So this was all about Unit 5, Section 1. Thank you very much.